Alright guys, we need a concept for this listing video. What do we want to do for this one?
I don't know, like it's super earthy and like super cool. Like I really love the layout, the yard, everything's super nice about it.
Well, and when all of you came in here, like the first thing you said was, oh my god, it's so cute!
So adorable, absolutely adorable. Yes.
So something like, I don't know, to do with the cute and adorable, but okay, who's our target buyers? Who do we think is gonna end up here?
People that are kind of looking at condos, like downsizers, singles, or like couples that don't want kids.
Yeah, and like benefit of a condo, like besides a condo is that you get the yard, affordability, and like location.
Right. And like no maintenance yard too, which is really key for a lot of people.
Yeah. And so like, I mean, when we were walking around here, like the bedroom's amazing.
It's so
you both commented on that.
That fireplace
is amazing. Yes, and the fireplace.
Right, it's so cute.
It's adorable. I mean, there's a concept here that we have to come up with because everything that you guys have been mentioning is just like how cute and adorable and amazing it is.
And
here.
even like the kitchen layout, like it's not
functional.
A huge kitchen, but it's super functional. There's a ton of cupboard space, like
I love
all the
appliances.
appliances, like it's beautiful.
Well, it's white, it's bright, and like from the kitchen, you look out here where we've got like. Just like you said, like the earthiness. Like we've got the trees, we've got the deck with the tree growing out of it.
So much green space.
There's
so much
been birds
privacy.
flying around too.
Yeah.
I know. So what are we gonna do for videos? Like, should we just head into the backyard and get to work now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do
check
it.
it out.